Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install CapCut Pro on PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the CapCut website. You just need to search for the CapCut.com and you have to install the CapCut on your computer. You can click on download to download the CapCut application. And after that, you're going to install this CapCut application on your computer. And since I have installed the CapCut application, I'm just going to open up my CapCut. Okay, and to get the CapCut Pro for free, we can use this method. Okay, make sure you have signed in the CapCut. Okay, make sure that you have signed into the CapCut. You can click on sign in right here and you will be able to use your Google account, Facebook account, or TikTok account to log into the CapCut. I'm just going to use my Google account. Okay. Okay, and now I have already signed into the CapCut and I'm going to go back. And to get the CapCut Pro for free, we can invite our friends to join CapCut. You can select invite friends right here. Okay, and as you can see guys, we will be able to get the CapCut Pro for free after we invite our friends. We need to copy the invite link and we can share it to our friends, and you can read the instruction right here. You can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends. Okay, you need to share the invite link to your friends and they need to accept the invitation, and after that you will get the CapCut Pro for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get CapCut Pro for free on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!